Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of December 2023 for all the Virgo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of December for all the Virgo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Sun controls your 12th house, and right now, Sun is moving in your third house in the sign of Scorpio. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation, your hospitalization, your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house, your long-term investment, your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house, and your donation is also seen from 12th house. So right now 12th house Lord is moving in your third house. Third house deal with your efforts, your communication, your younger siblings, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, but mainly your communication and communication skills is seen from third house. So right now, 12th house Lord is moving in your third house. So we can expect you may have to face some argument, some confrontation from your younger siblings, cousins, and friends because Lord of Loss is moving right now in your third house, in the house of communication. Also, you need to be take care of your efforts in the month of December, in which work you are putting your efforts, because your 12th house Lord, house of loss Lord, house of expenses Lord is moving in your house of efforts. But right now your third house Lord is also moving in your third house, so we can expect you will get some support regarding your third house related matter. But still you need to be take care of your communication and your confrontation from your cousins, from neighbors and childhood friends in the month of December. Sun will stay in your third house till 17th of December. After 17th of December, Sun will move to your fourth house in the sign of Sagittarius. So after 17th of December, when Sun will move to your fourth house, then we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter, because fourth house deal with your mother, your homeland, your home, physical home where you live is seen from fourth house, your property, your vehicle, and your comfort in life is also seen from fourth house. But after 17th of December, your 12th house Lord, foreign settlement Lord, will be moving in your fourth house, in the house of your homeland. So we can expect if you're trying to travel somewhere in the month of December, we can expect good result for your travel matter as well in the month of December. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Mercury controls your first house, means Mercury is your ascendant Lord. Mercury is very important planet for you people, and also controls your 10th house. And right now Mercury is moving in the sign of Sagittarius in your fourth house. Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion after 13 December 2023 in your fourth house and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. 10th house deal with your work environment, your fame, your bosses, your career, how far you can go in your career, how much fame you will have in your life is seen from 10th house. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house, your fundamental nature, your general health is seen from first house. So right now, 10th house and first house Lord is moving in your fourth house, but Ketu is moving in your first house after 30th October 2023. So you need to be take care of your health and your mother's health in the month of December, because Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your fourth house. But we can expect good result regarding your work related matter, because your 10th house Lord is right now sitting in your fourth house. But from fourth house, Mercury is also expecting its own house, your 10th house. That's why your 10th house right now in a strong position. That's why we can expect a good result regarding your work related matter, regarding your career related matter in the month of December. Just you need to be take care of your mother's health and your homeland related matter. That's why we were saying in some section, you may have to get a chance to move from your birthplace to some different country if you're trying to move from your birthplace to some different country in the month of December, especially after 17th of December when Sun will move to your fourth house. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Venus controls your second house and your ninth house. And right now Venus is moving in your second house in the sign of Libra. Means right now Venus is moving in its own sign in your second house. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, your long distance travel is seen from ninth house, your religious knowledge, your religious inclination, Your post-grad education and your higher education is also seen from ninth house. Your second marriage is also seen from ninth house. Second house deal with your family lineage, your family history, your family values, your upbringing, your speech, your food intake habits, and your savings in the matter of money, in the manner of jewelry is also seen from second house. So right now, your second house lord is moving in your second house. Means your second house right now is in a strong position. And ninth house also deal with your love related matter. So we can expect good result regarding your money related matter, regarding your savings related matter in the month of December. And Ketu is just moved from your second house to your first house after 30th October 2023. That's why we can expect very good result regarding your money related matter and your saving related matter. We can also expect some good event in your family members related matters in the month of December, because your second house lord and your ninth house lord is in a strong position right now. And ninth house also deal with your travel related matter. And ninth house lord is moving in your second house. And your ninth house lord is in a strong position. Also, Jupiter, your fourth house lord, is right now moving in your eighth house. And from eighth house, Jupiter is expecting your ninth house lord in your seventh house. That's why we were saying in Sun section you may get a chance to travel in the month of December, especially after 17th of December when Sun will also move to your fourth house. Venus will stay in your second house till 24th of December. After 24th of December, Venus will move to your third house in the sign of Scorpio. So when Venus will move to your third house, then Venus will aspect your ninth house. Then Venus from third house aspects its own house, means your ninth house. That's why after 24th of December, we can also expect good result regarding your father's health, regarding your education related matter. Also, as we discussed previously, we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter in the month of December. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Moon controls your 11th house, and right now Moon is moving in your first house in the sign of Virgo. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard it's set according to 6th of December, and on the basis of 6th December we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with these houses. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet in astrology. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Mars controls your 8th house and your third house. And right now your 8th house and third house lord is moving in your third house in its own sign, in the sign of Scorpio. Means Mars is right now moving in the sign of Scorpio in your third house, means your third house right now in a strong position. Also, Jupiter is moving in your 8th house as we discussed previously in Venus section. That's why we can expect good result regarding sudden events related matter, regarding your unexpected gains of money. Also, we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter, because third house deal with your short distance travel and ninth house deal with your long distance travel. But after 24th of December, your ninth house lord will also move to your third house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter in the month of December for all the Virgo ascendant people. So we can expect these results, all the Virgo ascendant people from all the planets in the month of December. We will have four major astrological events in the month of December. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your third house, but after 17th of December, Sun will move to your fourth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your second house, but after 24th of December, Venus will move to your third house in the sign of Scorpio. Third major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your fourth house, but after 13th of December, Venus will turn into its retrograde motion in your fourth house, and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your 8th house, and right now Jupiter is moving in its retrograde motion. But after 1st January 2024, Jupiter will turn into its direct motion in your 8th house. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of December 2023 for all the Virgo Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.